What's up, man? What's up? Uh, for your info, this is my vlog that's spoken in English. This is because Mr. Farouk. Okay, for Mr. Farouk, thank you because with your assignment, this I I make some vlog in English. Maybe it is good for my YouTube channel also. Okay, your assignment that told me that I should tell about annoying thing at home. But first of all, I would like to say that my home, my house, my beloved castle is full of silence. I mean, there are not a lot of things that disturb me because I love my home, I love my house. Wherever it is in my home, there is my happiness. I never disturb. I never feel disturbed about everything's in my home. But maybe in the home, I I don't have any problem. I don't have any annoying things. But the the problem things and the important things that you have know is from that road, that street. Yeah, that street. Why? Because from that street, every day, every night, every morning, every there are a lot of bus. Bus. The kind of bus is Luragung. That bus is from Kuningan to Jakarta. Yeah, yeah. Maybe you have know that bus, that name of bus. Yeah, it is very annoying for me because that horn, that toilet telolet man, like that, man. Let's see, man. Let's see that bus. Wow, that is my problem, man. That is my problem. And every day and night, that bus always disturb me. Thank you for watching these videos. Maybe it is unfaedah, but yeah, if you like these videos, you can thumbs up, or not, if you're not, give thumbs down. Okay, bye, ciao, man.